Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's video. So I look different. I don't know, yesterday I was inspired by this shirt that I'm wearing and I was like, I want to do a blue look. So I pulled out my Blend Bunny mermaid palette and I did like a little blue look. I filmed like a little mini TikTok tutorial. I don't know how I feel about it. Like, I'm definitely into it, but I'm not used to seeing myself with like colorful makeup. So you guys let me know in the comments if you like this, and if you want like an in-depth tutorial on it, we could definitely make that happen. But today's video is not about the makeup. I just wanted to address it really quick because I never come on camera with this much color on. But today's video is actually my good friend Tatanisha. If you're not following Tatanisha, what are you actually doing? I'm going to link her stuff down below for you guys. But we always like DM back and forth about Primark and how much I love Primark and whatever, and they're opening one near her. So I was like, you know what? Like, let me do like a Primark Essentials, like everything you need from Primark. So if you've never been to Primark or there's one opening like near you and you're excited, I'm going to show you guys all of like my go-to staple products that I buy from Primark. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and let's jump into this video. Really quickly, for those of you that don't know what a Primark is, it is a UK-based department store. I'm pretty sure it came to the States like 6, 7, maybe even 8 years ago, but it's pretty much a Target minus the grocery and half the price. I remember the first time I went, my friend took me to a Primark, I was like, oh my god, places like this exist. Like, I could not believe it. So I'm going to share with you guys all of my like Primark essentials. I have this whole bag, okay, because I'm actually going on vacation next week, and whenever I go on vacation, I'm always stocking up on a ton of shit from Primark. So I have been like saving this bag specifically for this video, okay? So first things first, if you're going to get one thing from Primark, like if you're just going to go in there and you hate everything, get this one thing, okay? These are cotton rounds, okay? You get 100 of them for $2, and they're the oval size ones, so they're pretty big. And you guys, the thing about these is everybody knows that they're fucking bomb. So everybody that like shops at Primark stocks up on them and buys like 2 or 3 at a time, and then Primark runs out, and then you never get them back again for like a month to 2 months. So every time I go to Primark and they have them, I always buy like 1 to 2 because they're $2 and there's 100 of them. I literally have 3 backups in my closet because I'm like, I will be damned if I'm stuck going to Target and paying like $4.50 to get 100 of these. Absolutely not. So whenever I can, I always stock up on these because $2 for 100 of them, you guys, the best. The other thing you absolutely need from Primark if you travel, if you're a makeup girly or whatever the case is, makeup bags, you guys. I got these like I think when I went to the wedding a few months ago, and it actually comes with a third one, but the third one I think is somewhere in my closet. So I got 3 of these bags for $3. So I got a small one, then there's a medium one, and then there's this big one, which is crazy because I really only needed the small one because I needed something for like my smaller toiletries. But for $3, I wound up getting all of these. And also, when I travel, if you guys have ever seen like my travel with me videos or my pack with me videos and you know this bag, I've had it for years, okay, like 3 years, so do not judge me. But this, I paid $11 for, and they still carry it to this day, and no joke, you guys, this bag fits all of my makeup, eyeshadow palettes, brushes, foundations, concealers, setting sprays, you name it, it fits in this bag, and it was only $11. So, like I said, I refuse to go to Sephora and buy a travel makeup bag for $40 when I can get this one for literally $11. Like, hello. So Primark Essentials, okay? So I'm gonna say this a lot in this video, so let me get it out of the way now. I check out every single department when I'm there. The clothes, the socks, the jewelry, the accessories, the shoes, everything, okay? So whenever I go there, I'm like, what's new? What's going on? So one thing I always look at are the purses, okay? So this is a new purse, obviously, for like spring and summer, and it was, how much? $14. And you guys, I love these purses from Primark. I have like 2 other ones, or 1 other one, I forget. But they fit almost everything, and I was like, this is perfect for summer, and especially since I'm going on my cruise, this is perfect. So of course I had to pick it up. So if you have a baby, or if you know somebody that has a baby, or whatever the case is, the baby department is 10 out of 10. My boyfriend's sister just announced that she's pregnant, okay? So I'm so excited that I'm gonna be an aunt. So of course, like once I knew the gender, I went right to Primark and was like, all right, we need to start shopping now. So I picked her up some bibs because they were $5, and you get 5 bibs, and babies are messy. Like, babies are so messy. They spit up, they drool, whatever the case is. You don't need to go to frigging Target or wherever they sell baby stuff and spend a ton of money on bibs, and you can just go to Primark and get them 5 for $5. Like, hello. So yeah, so definitely I will be shopping the baby section a whole lot because I have a little niece coming and I am so freaking excited. You definitely need to check out the sunglass department in Primark. They have a ton of sunglasses all the time. I was in there yesterday and I picked these up for my cruise. They are so cute. Disclaimer though, you always want to try on your sunglasses in Primark because they're not really kept like in cases or anything, and people go in there, try them on, bend them, break them. So I always try them on before I buy them just to make sure that they're not bent, and these are actually in perfect condition. I was shocked. So picked those up, but yeah, the sunglasses there are 10 out of friggin' 10. So this is probably one of my favorite departments to shop in Primark, you guys. The hair accessory section. Okay, so I love these little clips, and they're only $1.50, and you get all of these. But again, it's one of those products where like if you don't pick up 2 or 3 and then you run out or they break, Primark may not have them in stock because sometimes Primark takes some time to restock things. So I actually bought like a set of these probably like almost a year ago, and I mean these are so small and cheap. I lose them, I break them, and then I was running out. I was down to like 2 of them because I love just wearing clips in my hair all the time, and I kept going to Primark and I was like, where are they? Where are they? Like, I don't want to go to Target and spend like $5, $10 on these. And then finally the other day they restocked, so I had to buy 2 because I was like, I would be damned if I go through what I went through last time. So I always, like I said, I always buy doubles, okay? And then these were new. I've never seen these there before, but these are like the no crease clips, and you guys, I had to freaking pick these up because look at how gorgeous they are. So I picked up, there's actually a 3rd one on my bed because like I said, if you don't grab it while you can, you may never see it again in Primark. That's the only downfall. That's my one complaint with them, is that if you like these, if I didn't grab these when I saw them and I went like 2 weeks from now, they may not have them, they may never get them back again, or it may take months to restock. So I went and I got 3 of them because, you guys, I lose everything, I break things, Thor eats things, so I was like, let me just have backup. So of course I bought these, and they're so cute. I'm so excited to wear them in my TikToks because they add like a little oomph, you know what I mean? But yeah, the hair department, you guys, the accessories, 10 out of frigging 10, okay? And then I always buy my loofahs from Primark. So they're literally, how much are they? $2, and you get 2 loofahs. I mean, why am I gonna frigging buy 1 for $3 when I can get 2 for 2? So yeah, I always, like, whenever I see them, I always restock on them because I use a loofah every single time that I shower, and I need backups, okay? Like, I cannot have no loofahs. So I always restock on them, and I always have them on hand for like if guests come. I'm always like, oh my god, here's a loofah. You can use the pink one, I'll use the white one. You know what I mean? Like, it's a cute little like accessory for your guests, but also it's just great to have like backups of loofahs because you're supposed to like throw them out, I think every like 1 to 2 months or something like that. So it's always good to have backups. So I always like restock on these. It's the same thing with the cotton rounds. If I see them, I buy them. If I see these, I buy them. So really quickly, I have another bag. So it's pretty much the same exact like consistency or style as this one, but this one's a purse. This one is obviously like a beach bag, pool bag, whatever you want. So these are great. Primark always has big, big totes. And I saw this and it was like, it's so cute, and it's literally perfect for when I get off the ship. If I want to put my sunglasses or my sunblock or whatever I need with me, I can just throw it in this bag, and it's literally perfect, and it folds up so nice. So I had to get that, but like I said, Primark has so many good totes. It's literally insane. So footwear, I only buy Primark socks because they are amazing and they're nice and thick. So I buy these sport socks. So it's 3 pairs for $4, and they are nice and thick. You know how sometimes socks can be like too thin, they like slip and slide on your feet? These ones in the middle, I don't know if you can tell, like this part where it like cinches to your foot and like your sock doesn't move around. So I love these, and every time I go to Primark, I always buy another pair because Thor steals my socks, I lose my socks. It's just, it's a thing. So for $4, I just buy every time I go. I'm like, you know what, you can never have too many socks because I'm always losing them. So 10 out of 10 recommend Primark socks. They are amazing. You guys, when I first saw the price of flip-flops in Primark, I almost died. So granted, they are cheap, okay, but they're 90 cents, okay? These remind me so much of like the Old Navy ones that are like $10. No, these are 90 cents. I remember I was in Florida last year. Me and my sister needed flip-flops, and I was like, all right, let's go to Target because there's not like a Primark there. So we went to Target and we were looking for flip-flops, and I literally had to spend $16 on a pair of flip-flops, and I was like, where's Primark when you need it? Where's my 90-cent flip-flops? Because what the fuck? $16, and they were like the most uncomfortable flip-flops ever, but I literally had no choice. But yeah, 90 cents, you guys. And then these ones are so fun because they're so 90s that I got them for vacation. These were $10. These were a little bit more pricey, but are you ready for these? Look at these, you guys. They're little platform ones. They have them in white too, but I was like, you know what? I want to get them in black just because the white ones, they do stain oh, I just smacked myself. They do stain pretty easily, but these I could not pass up. And for $10, I was like, no, 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 no. I am definitely getting these. They are so cute and they're so freaking comfortable. Okay, so this next department is definitely my favorite, but it's the one that makes me the most sad because with this one, it's like if you don't get it that day, you're never seeing it ever again. Like these don't ever restock, like never ever. So these earrings are from Primark and I got them and then I went back like a week later and then they were gone. So the jewelry department, you guys, if you see something that you like, you need to get it that day. Like I don't care if it's whatever, like you need to get it because I promise you the chances of it being there when you go back are slim to none. So these are actually ones that I saw and I picked up for my cruise because I was like, these are literally perfect for vacation and I'm definitely gonna bring them. But I bought these like 2 weeks ago and I was in Primark yesterday and they were not there. So definitely, like I said, if you see them, get them because if you don't get them, then they're just gonna be gone. Okay, guys, so that wraps up my Primark Essentials. So this is pretty much everything that I buy from Primark that's like a daily essential for me. So like the socks, the flip-flops, the jewelry, especially the freaking cotton rounds. Oh my god, I cannot live without those cotton rounds. I'm obsessed. And the hair stuff, everything in here is something that I use every single day for the most part, okay? I'm gonna share all that with you guys in case you've never been to Primark or there's one opening near you and you kind of wanted to like learn a little bit more about it. I am a Primark girl through and through. I'm always buying so much stuff from Primark. Like they should honestly just sponsor me, like Primark, if you're watching, throw me a sponsorship because I spend so much freaking money there. I freaking love it. But yeah, so that is everything that I have for you guys in this video. Let me know down below if you've ever shopped at Primark. If you've never heard of Primark, let me know all of your thoughts down below. And as always, don't forget to go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up and to subscribe, and I will hopefully catch you guys in my next video.